How to enable dark mode on YouTube. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to enable dark mode on YouTube. If you want to enable dark mode on YouTube, here is a quick step-by-step guide. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in to your account or sign up if you do not have one yet. At the bottom right corner, tap on the U tab to access your profile section. Now, look at the top right corner and tap on the gear icon to open your settings. Inside the settings menu, scroll until you see the general option and tap on it. Here, you will find an option called Appearance. Tap on it and you will see three choices. These are Use Device Theme, Light Theme, and Dark Theme. To turn on dark mode, simply select Dark Theme. Once enabled, the entire YouTube interface will switch to a sleek black background, making it easier on your eyes, especially in low light conditions. And that's it! You have successfully enabled dark mode on YouTube in just a few steps. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.